New at noon, CBS News has learned of a disturbing discovery inside Miami International Airport. Sources say a noose was found there, and now TSA officers are on administrative leave. CBS 4's Ted Scouten is live inside Miami International Airport with more. Ted.
Yeah, Lauren, this afternoon, TSA is calling this an offensive display. Sources tell CBS News that offensive display was a noose found hanging from the ceiling and 2 monkeys were attached to it. Now, the Instagram page Black People of the Gram posted this picture saying this is the offensive display. They said that it was found the weekend before last by a female TSA agent. Now, according to TSA, this was found in a non-public area of Miami International Airport, a baggage screening area. We are told it was a TSA employee who alerted the management. TSA launched an investigation as well. Now, they also released a statement saying, in part, TSA does not tolerate racist or offensive behavior, and those found responsible will be held accountable for their actions. 2 TSA officers have been placed on administrative leave while the investigation is ongoing. Meanwhile, Miami-Dade Mayor Carlos Jimenez also released a statement just a few minutes ago saying, I am aware of the offensive item found in a TSA baggage screening area at MIA. I am pleased that TSA took quick action to identify the agency's employees responsible and to place them on administrative leave as the investigation into the incident is underway. Although the TSA workers are not employees of Miami-Dade County, our county has zero tolerance for racism and harassment. Also today, the airport released a statement on Twitter saying it does not condone the offensive behavior or material. So once again, where things stand, an investigation is underway by the TSA. At the same time, 2 employees of TSA have been placed on administrative leave as that investigation goes on. Live at MIA, Ted Scouten, CBS 4 News.